eModels.co.uk. Make something awesome. Hey everyone, I'm Foxx and this is Sprue from eModels.co.uk. Model making is all about making things as effortless and simple as possible, right from the start of a project. And one area that most of us find boring and in need of a streamline is getting parts off the sprues. Do you ping small parts all over the place? Would you just like to get to the building and painting much faster? Or are you making a gumpler that needs no painting but wants nice clean cuts? You hate cleaning up with your knife? Are you sick of gouging chunks out of the plastic? If you answered yes to any of these, then here is the solution. The incredible Ultimate Nipper SPN-120 from our good friends at GodHand. These beauties are designed for the ultimate cut, with a strong focus on removing parts from gates and sprues. They boast a super thin, hyper sharp blade, hand sharpened and edged by talented craftspeople in Tsubame Sanjo in Niigata Prefecture, a region famous for its cutlery. The single blade cuts against the cutting board blade on the other side, giving precise cuts and minimising the whitening you see when plastic is stressed by rough cutting. When used correctly, you can save yourself time and effort and achieve awesome results. The Ultimate Nippers give you the cleanest cut of any modelling cutters available because they slice the nub away without stressing the plastic, rather than cutting or pulling it off. To remove a part from the sprue, simply align the blades a few millimetres from the part and gently squeeze. Then, when the part is freed, place the flat edge of the blade against the plastic part and gently squeeze again to slice the nub away like a razor blade. Sanding and filing cleanup is absolutely minimal. When used as a fine cutting and cleanup tool alongside other more heavy-duty nippers such as GodHand PN125s for the tougher jobs and thicker gates, you'll find that parts processing and preparation is fast and easy, giving you more time to get to the fun stuff. And even better, thanks to our relationship with GodHand, getting hold of their tools in the UK and Europe has never been easier. Thank GodHand for eModels.